Hello everyone, welcome to you on this channel. Today I am going to tell you about the basic difference between can and may. Most of the students become confused. They say only one thing, sir, the meaning of can and may both are same. But where should I use can and where should I use may? So today I am going to tell you through this video that where should we use can and where should we use may. If we talk about can is used to show our ability, capacity or capability. Means in case of capability, capacity or ability, we will use can. Like that, I can teach you. This sentence is showing your capacity. I can do this work. I can go there. So in this case, you can use can when you are going to show your capacity, capability or anything. But when we talk about may is used in two sense. Number one is probability. Probability means if we are just assuming something like it may rain today. It means there is a chances of rain, that it may rain today. Next one is that this is called probability, and in this case we can use you can use may, because it shows that we are not sure but we are assuming that it may rain today. My father may come today from Patna. My father may come today from Patna. If we talk about this sentence, then this sentence is also showing probability. And may is used in case of permission also, when we have to take permission. जैसे may I help you, क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I go out? So in this case we can just see that this is showing permission, and in case of permission we will use. So lastly again I would like to tell you that whenever you are going to write or speak with can or may, then please make sure that can is used to show capability or capacity, whereas may is used in case of probability or permission. Thank you.